Okay, this is the target 6A, which is the triangle inequality retake video, which is also part of the chapter 9. We throw that one little bit of chapter 6 in chapter 9. So here are the cheat sheet. This is missing side, missing angle, and then this. There's really no cheat sheet for this. This you just have to remember. So a triangle has side lengths of 25 and 32. So we need to find the range of values for the third side. So we add them to find how high they have to be. And I get 57. And I subtract them to find out how small they are. So 32 minus 25. And I get 7. So my answer is my third side has to be between 7 and 57. So it can't be equal to 7 and it can't be equal to 57. It has to be larger than 7, so something like 7.1 would work, and something smaller than 57, so 56.9 would work. Okay, so remember the rule is when you have the three sides, you have to add the two smaller ones together and make sure you get a number bigger than the third side, or than the longest side. So now down here it just wants us to pick 5 numbers between 7 and 57. So I could say 7.1, 12, 29, 40, 55, and say 56. I just have to pick 5 numbers that fit between them. Okay, number 2. A farmer has a shed that's 45 feet long. So here is my shed. And then there's a fence coming out from it. And we know that that fence is 25 feet long. And he needs to know, or she, farmers, could be girls, how long that fence has to be. So it says what is the least amount, so I'm looking for the smallest amount of fencing that I could use to complete the enclosure. So if this 25 came out a little wider, I'd need a bigger piece. I'm looking for the smallest possible one, right? So to find the smallest one, I just subtract them. 45 minus 25, and I get 20. Now 20 is too small. It has to actually be bigger than 20. So I'm looking for this least amount. So the least amount is some number bigger than 20. So the smallest number bigger than 20. So that could be like 20.01. But it could also be 20.01. So I'm just going to say it has to be bigger than 20. So if you're buying prefabricated fencing, then you need a piece that is bigger than 20. Okay. And then here do side lengths 8, 15, and 23 make it a right triangle, or sorry, a triangle. So remember the rule is circle the bigger side, add the two smaller ones together. 8 plus 15 is 23, and the rule is these two added together have to be larger than the circled or the longest side, and it's not larger, it's equal to. So this is not a triangle. So if it was bigger, like 24, that would work. If it was smaller, like 22, it wouldn't work, and if they're equal, it doesn't work. Okay, so you have to complete the following problems on your own. Show them either to myself, a math lab teacher, a help lab teacher, or a tutorial support teacher. So here's 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Good luck.